Today, I'm gonna take this out to the streets, honking for Jesus. I'm gonna see how many honks we can get in one video. So don't forget, subscribe, like, share the video. Let's do it. No, it ain't if you hold it straight.
There you go. I guess.
One.
It's about to fall off my head.
Hold it straight. Two. Hold it up. There you go.
Alright, there you go. I know if this bee don't get away from me, I'm about to go.
That was a weird horn.
I thought you was doing that, man. No, he's serious. I might think I'm part of the circle.
You got another one? Two more.
Oh, you only want two more?
Nuh-uh, that's how many I got. Two more.
Can I take a break?
This ain't water break.
Ryan, it's hot. What you mean? It's hot. There you go. How long time it?
I'm gonna do a tally up at the end of the video.
Oh, you gotta go to the video end?
Mm-mm.
You don't even know how long it's gonna be.
Nope.
What, you gonna get a lot of hits?
Hopefully.
I never seen nobody go for 5 minutes. In the middle. Run me over. I won't even pay attention.
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep paying under the table. I'll come out there where you want. Yeah, you said he live on 6 miles. I'll come out there where you at. But they won't pay me under the table.
Nope.
I don't want no shit. I don't know what you call.
Got another one. That's two.
What you gotta do? Just run around and patrol the neighborhood?
Yep.
Who?
You know that?
Who patrolling? Good shape. Good sign.
A little bit.
Oh, you can't do nothing.
No.
No, because it's not against the law. Now we like
The police roll past.
we putting something like fuck the police, man. You'd probably be arrested right now. Okay, no, that's not gonna work out.
Go up a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, that'll work.
Thin ass paper.
Tell me about it.
Huh?
I'm hungry, girl. I don't even want to
You
eat
got
over
food
there.
at your house?
Yeah. I'm miserable. I'm used to doing by myself. I don't like somebody getting in there with me.
Why is his daughter over there with his okay.
Your girl is really nice.
Okay. Thanks.
Yeah, you in there, right? Your gas is really nice. I don't understand.
That's it. I'm done. I'm done for my own safety and protection. That's it.